My name's Quinn Roberts and I'm the Master Cooper for Tonello in Benicia, California. I've been the Master Cooper here for a couple of years now. Prior to that, I got my start in the cooperage business working for my father when I was about 13. My brother and I went to work reconditioning used barrels for my dad. That was my first experience taking barrels apart and putting them back together. And I completed an apprenticeship of sorts under him. In addition to reconditioning used barrels, we also built oak upright tanks. And later, my father founded a cooperage called Mendocino Cooperage in Hopland, California. And my brother and I were the production supervisors there. Most recently, I was the Master Cooper and Operations Manager for a cooperage in Cloverdale called Winemakers Cooperage. So my family has been in the barrel business in California for about the last 35 years or so. In addition to my experience working in California, I also spent some time in cooperages in France, including cooperages in Cognac and Burgundy. If you're interested in learning more about how barrels are made, we'd love to invite you to come visit the cooperage in Benicia sometime. Tonello was founded in 2009. We've been producing French and American oak barrels here in Benicia since then. Today we employ 13 people to produce between 35 and 40 barrels per day. And we produce a full range of barrel types from the 225-liter Bordeaux export to the 228-liter Burgundy export through 265-liter all the way up to 300-liter hogshead barrels from both wood types. Some of the biggest achievements for the cooperage in the last couple of years have been receiving ISO certification. We really have codified all of the processes involved, from everything from material processing, creating barrel staves and barrel heads, through barrel toasting, through to the standards for the appearance of the finished barrels. We're also a 5S shop, and over the last year or so we've achieved a whole new level of organization and efficiency in the cooperage as a result of our commitment to 5S principles in manufacturing. So at Tonello, we produce barrels from both French and American oak, and in France we're working with suppliers in some of the most renowned forests, such as Juppy, Tronchet, Bertrange, Vosges, also some more obscure forests in the north of France where you find some very high quality oak as well. I'm standing in front of a stack of American oak from southern Minnesota. In addition to our Minnesota suppliers, we work with other mills in Pennsylvania, Virginia, and Missouri. Our French oak is seasoned for 36 months on location where the staves are produced. And our American oak, the Minnesota oak, is seasoned for 36 months, and the rest of our American oak is seasoned for 24 months. We feel that this extended aging for our French oak helps create a more sort of elegant aromatic profile in the finished barrels.